Hey guys, it's time for some change. So let's change. Boys, oh boys, listen. Been wanting this for quite a while, and I almost did on the 6th. I almost did way back when. Like, we're talking like 2 years ago. But Hug Sticker Custom, he is in, I want to say Thailand. I don't know, I couldn't find the right way of getting through to him and contact him, but we finally did. And we finally figured out how to, it just, boys. And ladies, boys and ladies. Woo! I'm extremely excited. I don't know where a lot of this stuff goes. We're gonna figure it out. You guys need to stick around because I know what this is gonna kind of look like, but like still I don't know what it's gonna look like, if that makes sense. We got a lot of stuff to throw on. look, hold on. You guys wanna see something funny? I'm 100% gonna show you guys something funny. I posted this, right? If you see it. I love you, but it's time for change. Everyone thinks I'm selling her. No, I'm just doing this and on some other parts. I got more over there. But like, yeah, that's funny. Okay, you guys know I'm not doing the insulation. It's vinyl. You guys know how this goes. You clean up all your surfaces. This stuff is awesome because I'm not replacing fairings. Yes, they could bubble. Yes, they can peel up, but it's kind of worth it for the price point compared to fairings, which could, for this bike, I really don't know what it would run me, but I haven't even seen aftermarket aside from race. So it could be like 600, 700 bucks, if not more. And I'm not doing that right now. I don't care, especially if you want custom fairings. That's a whole different ball game. So we're gonna do what we do best. And lay some freaking vinyl. Actually, I'm not the best at that. But like, out of all my bikes, I mean, I lay vinyl on all of them, so it's just kind of like what I do. Woo! Oh yeah, she looks a little different, right? I hate taking apart plastic because I think I'm gonna freaking break it every single time. And I didn't break anything. But we do have all the parts. We have side fairing right here. We have the front fairing, which I definitely almost broke 100%. I'm not gonna cap on this one. Definitely almost broke that. And then we have a few more pieces over here. We got everything ripped off, and the only reason I went this far deep is because A, I need to clean the bike, which I'm about to do right now. And then I actually need to, I wrapped it twice because I did it once, wasn't happy with it. OCD kicked in and I was like, that's, like I might've did it on blue because that's a track bike. Like I'm gonna crash it again. But like this one, I was like, let me just do it the right way. So I tried to do it with the front face on, then I took it off and I was like, okay, let me do it the right way. So now these are clean cut. They are looking really good, really clean. Hopefully they don't peel. I don't think they should. It's looking a little spicy, but this is what a 2021 R1 looks like. Let me get back to cleaning this thing. We have a lot of work to do. It is currently like 3 p.m. and I want to get everything done today. So I'm not going to go to sleep till like 5 a.m. Okay, a lot's different. A lot is different already. You see a little bit of it. I'm not gonna put on the rest of the fairings until we do the rest of the work. We have to install the GPR and then relocate this quad lock, which I have a system kind of already in place right there. And I might throw the grips on top. I'm not sure, but this is your little sneak peek to the full. So you gotta wait till the end till we get to the. Just wait, but we're gonna do it. So now let me bust this open, get this on here, which is going into the fork stem. It's 1:15 in the morning. I did take like a little break. I went to a friend's house. It was like 3 hours long. And then I came back and I just went ham, finished up a lot of this wrapping and putting this vinyl on. Hug stickers, they're all the way out in Thailand and it got here so freaking fast. I like did not work it into my schedule and it got here in like a week and a half. And I was like, that's from Thailand. Like, what? I don't know, where does this plug go? I mean, at least they provide instructions. GPR is really good about this stuff, so my favorite. I went black with this one. The other one I had gold because I had gold levers at the time and then we switched it up. And they do have a blue one, but it's like an off blue. It's not like a Yami blue, so I was just like, give me black. Look at that baby. Ooh! It's like 1 something in the morning. It's getting later. But anyway, I took out the quad lock and this was as simple as can be. Now on 2020 Plus, there is under here, right here, I don't know why, but they included this little like, I don't know, literally just cut it off. So I just zip tied the OEM one right here. This is the OEM one. This is the new one. I don't know what this is for or why, but I just followed the wire from the actual OEM stabilizer. Down there. Followed that little accordion looking thing and plugged it in. I don't know why. They included it for a reason. I don't know. This is here. Now, if you do want to see installation or a little bit more, you can go to my other video that I did an installation on the R6. And this is way back when, but I did a GPR video. Really the same thing. There's really nothing to it. Fork nut is underneath there and this goes right on top. So let's get to putting the quad lock on, which I'm going to actually I built my own little function everyone asks me and their mom. Quad lock is the phone case that I use. This is how I hold my phone. This is the only one that I actually trust. But basically I got a ball and joint mount, and you get little one inches, and then I had to buy one from Ram, which is this little ball that's connected here, and what I'm gonna do is kind of finagle it somewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. Something like that. I want to ride. We might just take this thing out tomorrow, get some cinematics, which you'll see probably in a hot second. Give me a second, let me get this thing on, and then we're gonna put this bike back together. This kind of sucked, but like I got it. GPR, right? And then my phone goes right there. Let me give you an explanation. Phone's there. Now it is covering my GPR, but I mean, so I'm using a RAM mount, which you can see, and I hooked up to where the brake reservoir hooks up to. So that's really it. And then you use a ball joint and boom. And now I have no clue if the actual front's gonna fit over this. I'm hoping my windshield is actually tall enough to go over this. I have zero clue, guys. Zero clue. But I guess there's only one way to find out. What up, guys? We're doing a little bit of airings, and I have to film for the thing that you just saw. Excuse me. And we got to talk about this damn GPR. I had to get gas. I was literally on A. I had like 5 miles already passed. Literally, as soon as I got on the bike, I was like, oh, or why did I go home? Sorry, my ADHD kicks in really fast. I get distracted by so many things, and then my brain like just stops and just focuses, like hyper focuses on that. So right now, as you can see, I finally do have the GPR right here, and we have the quad lock right here, which I just showed on Instagram how I mounted that, which is to the brake reservoir. Oh my gosh, that scared the crap out of me. Tires are cold, baby. I also need to check my tire pressure. That's on me. My rear is shot after 6 weeks. I already ran through my rear in my Pirelli, but I have put a lot of miles on this bike. Like, I don't know, I just love it. What do you guys think of Sky 2.0? That's a real question. What do you guys think? Guys, if you guys want one of these vinyl kits, head over to Hug Stickers Customs, check out his Instagram or Facebook, and see if he has something for your bike as well. These things look insane. First of all, I really do want to talk about the quality of this vinyl. I've worked with a few different vinyls. I'm not a pro, I don't know much. I've gone through a few wraps. I've wrapped my bike, but this vinyl is like very nice. I didn't have it burn on me. I didn't have it, nor did I have it actually rip or want to rip or separate. So that was awesome. And I applied some heat at some points. The quality is really good. It's just I sucked at wrapping it. That's why we have bubbles. Because like this bike has so many damn curves, and there's certain sections like the big side piece that I had to do alone, and I really could have used a second hand to hold up some of it. I got 2 hands trying to lay it, but like the other hand, it got messy. It got messy. That's why I don't record this stuff, because this stuff takes time. I just spent like 10 hours yesterday, which it was worth it. I banged it out in a day, but I mean, I got tired. I definitely probably should have, you know, split it up more, but I was like, I just want to get it done. I don't care. To me, it's like, I get it. Like somebody's probably gonna walk up to him and be like, oh, you have bubbles here. Like, oh, well, I love my bike. Like, it looks good to me. So I didn't put the tail on. I left my neon tail because I prefer my neon tail, but good Lord. I went to sleep at 6 in the morning, and I was literally in bed, and I just was looking at pictures. Even though the bike was in the other room, like, I was just sitting there looking at pictures of the bike. I was just like, you look so good. I mean, he literally pointed at me. He's like, no! Like, mouth wide open, pointing straight at me. My God, damn! There's nothing better than hitting a shift mid-wheelie, but the pop hits the ground. Like, it's like 2 feet, hits the ground, and pops right up into my ear. That noise is just... Limits. We're doing 32, 31. He's showing me the speed limit. Yeah, I get it, bud, but you don't have to do the speed limit. You can go
People crack me up. Like, I don't know if you're doing this to be a dick or what, but like, I don't care. Again, danger, get away from it. It's stupid. People always just want to mess with your energy because their energy is effed up and they just be mad about nothing. I can't hear them. That's the funniest part. Oh, nice. God, I love old people. Don't let anyone ruin your day, guys. Like, the thing is like, I could have attempted to hear him. I didn't care. Like, I don't care that much. I don't even want to process the words you're saying because I know it's negative. Your fuel cap's open, my dude. Today we have to run an errand for Mike, and you guys all know Mike. Gotta help the homie out. Literally, he sent me on a mission to buy him socks. I swear, I'm not lying to you. He literally texted me and was like, hey Cam, I need socks. Can you run to the store and grab me some? And I'm like, yeah, sure. Like, okay. Like, Mike's definitely the type of person to wear new socks every time. Like, so we are on the lowest setting right now. This bike literally feels like I'm riding a freaking bull every time. Like, the way it snaps, oh. But this is at 1. Let's go up to, God, that's a hard turn. That's at almost 3. Damn, that is a hard turn. That's, I mean, it's stiff, it's good. Having the other stabilizer in place. Let's go up. That's 5. So you got a problem, bro? All right. I love me some sideways wheelies. I love them. Damn. What do you guys think? It's moments like those I'm like, yeah, I probably should have crashed. I just look down and I'm like, what? What the fudge? Oh, it's orchestra. I was like, damn, they're not the people.